Bitcoin mining. It's a term that's become increasingly popular in recent years, but what exactly does it mean? In this video, we'll explore what Bitcoin mining is, how it works, and why it's important. First things first, let's start with the basics. What is Bitcoin mining? Bitcoin mining is the process by which new Bitcoins are created and transactions are validated on the Bitcoin network. It involves using specialized computer hardware and software to solve complex mathematical algorithms that verify and confirm transactions on the blockchain, a public ledger of all Bitcoin transactions. As a reward for their efforts, miners receive newly minted Bitcoins and transaction fees from each validated transaction. This incentivizes miners to continue verifying transactions and contributing to the security and integrity of the Bitcoin network. The history of Bitcoin mining can be traced back to the launch of the Bitcoin network in 2009 by the mysterious person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. In the early days of Bitcoin, mining was relatively easy and could be done using a standard personal computer's CPU. However, as Bitcoin's popularity grew, so did the number of miners, making it increasingly difficult to mine Bitcoin using only CPUs. This led to the development of GPU mining in 2010, which allowed miners to solve the mathematical algorithms more efficiently and earn more Bitcoins. As the competition for mining grew, miners began using FPGA technology, which further increased the efficiency of mining operations. In 2013, the first ASIC miners were developed, which were even more specialized and powerful than previous mining hardware. When someone makes a Bitcoin transaction, it is broadcast to the entire network. Miners then verify the transaction by solving a complex mathematical algorithm to confirm that it is valid and not a duplicate. To prevent fraud and ensure that the network remains secure and decentralized, Bitcoin uses a consensus algorithm called proof of work. Miners compete to solve the algorithm, which involves using their computing power to guess a random number. The first miner to guess the correct number is rewarded with a block of newly minted Bitcoins, along with transaction fees. Once a miner solves the algorithm, they create a new block of transactions and add it to the blockchain. This new block is then verified by other nodes on the network, and once it is confirmed, the miner who created it is rewarded with the block reward of newly minted Bitcoins. To mine Bitcoins, miners need specialized hardware called ASICs and mining software. ASICs are designed specifically for Bitcoin mining and are much more efficient than regular computer CPUs or GPUs. Bitcoin mining software is a program that connects the miner's hardware to the Bitcoin network and enables them to participate in the mining process. The software is designed to communicate with the Bitcoin network and help the miner solve the complex mathematical algorithms required to verify and confirm transactions on the blockchain. There are several types of Bitcoin mining software available. Full node software. This software downloads and maintains a complete copy of the Bitcoin blockchain, allowing miners to verify transactions and contribute to the network's security and decentralization. Examples of full node software include Bitcoin Core and Bitcoin Knots. Mining software. This software is specifically designed to work with mining hardware and helps miners connect to mining pools, manage their hardware, and monitor their mining performance. Popular mining software includes CG Miner, BFG Miner, and Easy Miner. Remote management software. This software allows miners to remotely monitor and manage their mining operations, including hardware temperature, mining performance, and power consumption. Examples of remote management software include Awesome Miner and Hive OS. Bitcoin mining plays a crucial role in verifying and validating transactions on the Bitcoin network. Without miners, the Bitcoin network would be unable to confirm transactions, and the security and integrity of the network would be compromised. Bitcoin mining is the process by which new bitcoins are created and introduced into circulation. The mining reward serves as an incentive for miners to validate transactions and contribute to the security and stability of the Bitcoin network. Bitcoin mining helps to maintain the decentralized nature of the Bitcoin network. By allowing anyone with the necessary equipment and expertise to participate in the mining process, the network is not controlled by a central authority or entity. In conclusion, Bitcoin mining has the potential to drive significant growth and innovation in the cryptocurrency industry. As the demand for mining increases, it will lead to innovation in technology, job creation, economic opportunities, and environmental sustainability. The decentralization of power and control in Bitcoin mining also promotes transparency and trust in the network, making it more attractive to users and investors. The development of new markets for mining equipment, software, and services will create additional economic opportunities for companies and investors. As the industry continues to mature, it will likely play an increasingly important role in the global economy. However, it is important to note that the growth of Bitcoin mining must also be balanced with environmental considerations and the need for sustainable practices. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments about Bitcoin mining, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss the coming videos.